GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. All right, so yesterday this was where we left off. So today we are going to be replacing the things and just adding new items in here. It definitely is going to be a green theme. It won't be matchy but it's going to be shades of green. All right, so first we're going to put this back onto the wall. The drill is charged this time, so easily put this back onto the wall. And then we're going to be adding the rest of the items in here. If you made it back here today, thank you so much. And stick around while we put this back together and let us know your thoughts in the description. Do check out the question of the day and give us your response in the comment section. This black cherry is my favorite hand soap from Bath and Body Works, but then I realized I had a black hand soap dispenser and I'll be putting that in here later. Putting the tissue back on here, Zone wanted to do like a little pattern on here, but I'm like, girl, 2 seconds later that's gonna be all gone. So but let her have her little way. Restack tissues right here. I typically have 5 in here at any given time. It's always good to have a little stash just so that in case you're in there and you run out. Now we're gonna start adding our greenery here, one on the bowl. We're gonna replace the ones that we had at the top, and then you want your diffuser in here as well. I got the diffuser at Ross, and then we're gonna simply put back those little frames on the window. I think I found those years ago at Dollar General, I believe. Yeah, and I'm in love with those and they aren't going anywhere. So I think the hardest thing for most of us is to put things on the wall, because for me, if it's not straight, oh my gosh, it is going to drive me crazy. And so yeah, put them on the wall, put it straight. I love this little leafy painting. I did that a few years ago because I found one in store and it was like $39.99. I'm like, what? I can draw that myself and paint it. The only thing is I didn't put like a border around it. See, that's not straight. So we got to get it straight. So I'm going to fix that and then I'll come back. All right, that looks better. So let's move on to quickly add in the other things in here. I'm going to put the rug on the floor. This rug that I got only came with 2 pieces, but because of the size of this bathroom, I really don't need an extra piece to go in front of the bowl. Curtains for the window arrived, but look, oh, them crushed like color looks much better now that we've ironed it. So we're going to put those at the window real quickly. Hi, son. Let's put this up in here and see what that looks like. All right, this is what that's looking like. Not bad at all. Okay, and you put them together. I think I prefer it being together because it looks more even when it's together. Okay, more greenery, and then we're gonna put up the shower curtains. Like I said before, the shower curtains arrived crushed, so we're gonna iron that and we're gonna come back, and this is what it looks like after we've ironed it. Much better, so much better. So let's go in and put these up. Now if you put up curtains, you know your hands will burn to put these up. So what I like to do is I like to start with both ends. So I'll fasten or affix one end and then I'll do the other end, and that way if I feel like my hands are tired, I can just take a break and then fill in the others in the middle. And just like this bathroom refresh, remember that small changes can make a big impact. Progress isn't about perfection, it's about creating a space that inspires peace and joy. Not only that, but a clean, updated space feels lighter and more inviting, which can reduce stress and increase positivity. Remember I was saying I had this dispenser. I'm gonna be using this for a little while. So we're pouring soap in here. Let's quickly add some towels on here. Your bathroom is kind of like a mini spa. This is where you are reminded to slow down and take care of yourself during the busy holiday. All right, in case you've forgotten, this was what it looked like before. So this is a quick look of the before, and here's after. The lighting is terrible, especially because the outside light comes toward me. But let me turn this light back on and give us a finish. I think it looks better in person than it does on camera. But this is the finish. You guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Remember to check out the question of the day and respond to that in the comment section. And this is a simple fix, a quick reset or refresh, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't have to be green. It's going to be whatever you'd like it to be. And if you paint the walls and you don't like it, simply change it back to its original color. Can I tell you, it smells so good in here. It feels so clean. If you did make it to this far, you're an OG. Leave us a green heart in the comment section.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.